Welcome to Auto Specs. At Auto Specs, we bring you in-depth analysis of the most intriguing military vehicles and cutting-edge armored technology. Today, we're diving into one of the most bizarre yet innovative war machines to emerge from the Russia-Ukraine conflict, the Turtle tank. This heavily modified Russian tank, designed to withstand drone warfare, has sparked debates among military experts worldwide. Is it a groundbreaking defense mechanism or just an improvised stopgap? Let's find out. Turtle tank specifications. The Turtle tank is not a specific model, but rather a modification of existing Russian tanks such as the T-62, T-72, and T-80. These tanks have been fitted with anti-drone slat armor, a steel cage covering the turret and hull to deflect drone attacks, extra roof armor, additional plating to protect against top-down strikes from kamikaze drones, electronic warfare (EW) systems. Some models are equipped with radio jammers to disrupt drone signals. Mine-clearing equipment. Certain versions carry mine rollers and electromagnetic mine detectors. Weight and mobility. The extra armor increases weight, reducing mobility and speed, limiting its effectiveness in fast-moving combat. How the Turtle tank changed the war. Russia introduced the Turtle tank as a response to Ukraine's highly effective use of drones, which have been devastating traditional armored units. These modifications aim to shield Russian tanks from drone strikes that typically target weak points like the turret roof. The logic was simple: if drones couldn't penetrate the armor, they'd be less effective. Initially, the Turtle tank appeared to be an innovative solution. Ukrainian drones often struggled to breach the layered armor, forcing adjustments in attack strategies. However, the modifications also introduced several drawbacks. The additional weight made the tanks slower and harder to maneuver, making them easier targets for anti-tank missiles. Moreover, the makeshift design often compromised visibility and turret rotation, reducing combat effectiveness in urban warfare. Despite its shortcomings, the Turtle tank forced both sides to rethink their strategies. Ukraine adapted by using precision-guided munitions and larger drone payloads to counter the extra armor. Meanwhile, Russia continued refining its Turtle-style defenses, incorporating new electronic warfare measures to jam drone signals. This back-and-forth battle between offense and defense showcased how rapidly modern warfare is evolving, emphasizing the growing dominance of drone technology in 21st century conflicts. Final thoughts. The Turtle tank may not be a perfect solution, but it has undoubtedly left its mark on military history. It represents a shift towards makeshift battlefield adaptations in the face of emerging threats. As drone warfare continues to evolve, armored vehicle designs will need to keep pace, and we may see even more radical transformations in future tanks. What do you think? Is the Turtle tank a game-changer or just a desperate improvisation? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more military tech insights, only on Auto Specs.